Hey there, how's life? I hope you're doing well. So, today we have with us a very exciting event named Parivartan'21. This is IIT Delhi's annual Management, Cultural and Sports Fest. Let's have a look at the details one by one. In February, the Cultural Committee and the Sports Committee of the Department of Management Studies IIT Delhi organizes the annual Management Festival of IIT Delhi, Parivartan'21. True to its name, Parivartan is where we set the stage for newer seas to be explored, higher pursuits to be undertaken, and brighter ideas to be set in motion. That's how they define Parivartan'21. Parivartan'21 is a DMS annual management, cultural and sports fest. This 3-day fest is an amalgamation of 25 plus business, cultural and sports events and draws footfalls of over 5,000 visitors from premier B schools all across the country. The festival hosts presentations, debates, case studies, quizzes, cultural events, sports competitions, and many more informal events. They also have various eminent personalities from the management arena gracing the occasion to share their rich experiences with the audience gathered. Cultural night garners unprecedented footfalls owing to the glittering shows by the biggest celebrities of the country. Parivartan'20 was a huge success and ended up putting up smiles on everyone's face. This time they have geared up to leap over the hurdles and transcend boundaries to expand their reach to every corner of the country, thereby selecting the best out of the best. Parivartan provides an ideal platform for aspiring managers to hone their skills and test their mettle against their peers. We encourage future leaders to dream, imagine, create, and have an impact that lasts. Therefore, they take immense pride in welcoming you to Parivartan'21. You can win exciting prizes worth 10 lakhs. The link to apply for this event is here, as you can see. And for any more further queries and infos, you can click on the link given here, this one. Thanks a lot for listening.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking.